Been 4 years since the last YouTube video. You joined me back on the channel. We're back. Just bought the first Copart purchase, Volkswagen Scirocco 2 litre TSI, and a nice little sort of ruby grey metallic. Little front bumper damage there on the corner. Nothing major. This one's got no category on it. It's advertised as runs and drives. No category. Pan roof, pretty decent spec. Got the leather seats in tan leather, dyno audio, DSG gearbox, an aftermarket Pioneer head unit, really clean condition inside. Comes with all the service history and paperwork, 2 keys. Alright, so I had a little bit of a flat battery, got the charger on it, running sweet now, literally no funny noises. Running all okay now once I've got a little jump start on it. Just got a little diagnostic going on here. See if there's any codes in it, but so far seems all. Alright, after taking it for a little test drive, I noticed it had a bit of a knocking noise from the front, so I've got it jacked up. I think it just needs anti-roll bar links and a shock on the passenger front. But yeah, before that, got the interior all cleaned up. Gave it a nice little hoover, cleaned up all the leather seats, looking fresh. Also gave the little pan roof a bit of a service, so it's now operates smooth. Moving on to the front now. Show me on the passenger front. Alright, so the main cause of the knocking noise was this shock absorber here. So I got a second-hand shock off eBay, put that on because basically the spring has snapped on the other one. But got a second-hand adaptive shock, put it on, waiting for the anti-roll bar links to come. I'll get them fitted, and it should all be good from here. Give it probably get it washed. But yeah, shock's on. See all that corrosion on the disc. Should come off after another little drive. But yeah, we're looking good. Alright, you join me at the MOT centre now. Bought it, it's been sitting around for a while, the MOT ran out. So yeah, MOT is done, passed, getting the AC regas, it's baking hot today. We're going off to Chris Brown as well later on this evening. Yeah, but it's looking good, drives good. See how it goes. So a week later, disaster, broke down on the motorway. Baking hot as well, sweating on the side of the motorway. Anyways, got it recovered home. Found out that it had no fuel pressure coming into the high pressure pump, so suspected that it was low pressure fuel pump. Changed that and it fired up straight away. But we also noticed that when changing the low pressure pump, there was no actual fuel in the tank, but the gauge was reading a quarter, so the fuel pump anyway was defective. But yeah, changed it and it's all running sweet.